What are we doing today?
We're putting a new clutch on the bike.
Hi.
So the story on this bike is it's got a racing engine on it, and the reason it's sideways is because I couldn't place it sideways. I didn't want to take the engine off. But anyways, race clutch is different than this one because this one engages at 200 RPM, this one engages at 4,000.
Yep.
You want that because then you can rev your engine at higher, engage at peak RPM, which is really
Peak
awesome.
torque.
Peak torque.
Peak torque, right.
So you can take off and go really fast.
Launch is harder. And it's got a bigger sprocket on it, doesn't it? We're going to put a bigger sprocket for a higher gear ratio.
Sure does.
This is your race motor.
So the first thing we gotta do is take the little off, screw here, take out.
Take a look at this new clutch. It's from Millennium Racing, Morum Racing. It's called what's it called? It's the Cheetah?
Cheetah.
The Cheetah clutch. It's pretty. Make sure your hands are clean. Yeah, it's party. Sure, the 12. Put the 15 on and see where we get. See if it's too laggy, then we can kick it down. Oh, shoot. You need a keyway. Ruh-roh, Raggy. Oh, but it's included, guys. It's included. The beauty is that's going to be covered up. Nobody's going to know. Ow. Don't smash it. Doesn't feel good. That's the beauty. This thing going to be completely covered up by your chain guard, isn't it?
So that was exciting, man.
This will be a secret weapon. Okay, so we got the key is to get this. You can set it in kind of at an angle, about halfway down. Click it in there. It should make an audible click, and then it'll fall down onto your clutch, onto your pedal, where you want it to be. Right? So now we got to tap that. Okay, so we got it sitting here, and the whole key now. You got to make sure, and I know you can't see, but the idea is that you got to make sure when you're lining this clutch up that this chain and that this sprocket and this sprocket, the front and rear sprockets, line up. You want them to line up correctly, otherwise you're going to have it's going to throw chains, it's going to bend your chains, and you're just going to have a ton of issues. So you're going to be able to space this out this way or this way, right, to make sure that you've got the correct alignment, right? So that's what we're going to do right now. Okay, so we got it spaced out properly where it fits, and the chain straight. We just got to put our tensioner back on over there and put our cover back on, and I guess go see how much trouble we can get into. The Cheetah! Cover it up, and nobody going to know what's happened, right? Allegedly, he says. What's so noisy? Oh, rattling around.
Yeah, I pulled it off real quick.
Why's the what's the puffs of white smoke?
It was on Joe.
Oh, it calmed down. It's loud.
Well, it's got a lot more than that in it.
Oh, I can tell. Well, that's not what we were hoping for. Oh no. Really? How did that happen? I don't know. I wasn't even under acceleration. Dang. That doesn't make any sense. Not at all. It didn't even throw anything, it just exploded. But basically what happened is riding it, coasting along, all of a sudden
It stopped running. It didn't even explode. It just stopped running.
the motor just shuts down, and we come look at it and come find out that the block is broken into two pieces right at the base of the cylinder. So we're gonna have to tear the engine down and see what in the world happened, why it did that. But that's kind of puts a major damper on the mini bike situation. So that might be a project for another day. But we're gonna have to play with some other stuff, maybe. Next thing we're gonna have to do with that, tear it down and see what's wrong with it.
We know it's broken.
We know it's broken, but I guess figure out if we can see why it broke, and also what parts are usable to put onto a different engine, because that one ain't gonna go. That one ain't gonna work no more, because it's been dismembered. So not the outcome we were looking for, but oh well. It's only money, right?
My money.
Yeah, it spends better when it's not mine. All right.
Thanks for the encouragement.
You're welcome.